Hi guys, this is Kimmy Yanks and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, this is a very new setting behind me, a very picturesque setting because here we are in Hornburg after a 7-hour drive from Brussels and yeah, I'm here with my friends and my very beautiful niece. So you might hear her sometimes in the background. Apologies for that. And yeah, today I am actually holding in my hand a new tech gadget, something that I was really looking forward to getting for myself. And this is going to be the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the Creator Combo Pack, a product that was launched by DJI a few months back. So, really looking forward to sampling and testing this out, and at the same time, also showing you guys some sample videos of how things look from the lens of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So, without further much to say, let's start unboxing this latest offering by DJI. So the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo retails at around 679 euros here in Europe. That's about 62,000 Indian rupees. And I also added the 512 GB Pro Ultimate Samsung micro SD card, obviously to ensure that I can freely shoot as much content as I want without having any hassles of storage. So this was another 110 euros, which is on the expensive side, honestly speaking. So the entire bundle came to about 790 euros. That's around 72,000. Um, of course, there will be a VAT refund, and at the same time, we will also be getting uh, a 5-year warranty through Camera Express here in Europe, and also a trade-in. So I can always bring this back in, sell the Osmo Pocket 3 back to Camera Express, and buy myself something new from the credit that I get from the store. Talking about what's on the back side, you've got the 1-inch CMOS sensor mentioned here, which of course is one of the biggest USPs of this pocket camera, an action cam as well, something that no other flagship phone, not even the iPhone 15 Pro Max or the Samsung S24 Ultra can match. You've got a 2-inch rotational screen, you've got the 3-axis gimbal, mechanical stabilization with active track, and yes, D-logs, stereo recording, and of course you've got the pocket sized form factor, which obviously helps in holding this pocket sized camera. Opening this right up, putting the silica gel aside. They've given a very nice carry case here, almost the size of my palm here, and let's just open it up and see. I think this is actually going to be the main unit in which everything is housed. There you go. Really sleek and very regal. And of course we always have this correspondence and leaflets giving us some other things that are supported by the DJI device. Now further on, looking here, we've gotten the, I don't know what this box is for. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what is there. Oh, this actually has the protective carry case for the Creator Combo. So let's just put this aside, and now it's time to unbox this and see what is there inside the Creator Combo pack. Now if you were to buy the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, just the Osmo Pocket 3 without the Creator Combo, you would only get the camera. But with the Creator Combo, you get not just the camera, you get an extra battery pack, like a portable charger that attaches, and you also get the DJI Mic 2, which we will be seeing all now. So right, so this is our Osmo Pocket 3. Really nice to hold, just the camera itself. It really has good grip levels at the back as well. So yeah, this will be the last thing that I'll fire upon, but let me open up the other things and see all that this carry case has inside it. Moving further on, well, the video is getting a bit wobbly, so apologies for that. Yeah, this is the This is the extra battery pack that can attach to the underside of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 like this, and yeah, this actually gives more battery power, and of course a much longer grip to your Osmo Pocket 3. And all you have to do is press this button right here and pull it out. So this is your extra battery pack. This is an extension grip, if one can put it that way. It's actually a 1/4 inch extension grip. Not something that I'm a big fan of, because this doesn't really extend the battery life of your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which by itself has around 166 minutes of charge. So yeah, you can just connect it here, right there. This just extends the grip levels for Osmo Pocket 3, which I think by itself also is quite grippy. Finally, there's one more attachment, and this is, very interestingly, a very cute little monopod, which of course doubles up as a tripod as well. So then you can have your Pocket 3 mounted on this. Interestingly though, on the underside of the Pocket 3 you only have a Type C connection port. So you either need to use the battery extender pack, or you need to use the extension grip pack, which has the attachment to attach onto the tripod here. Finally, this is the latest offering of DJI, the DJI Mic 2, which comes as a pack with the Osmo Pocket 3. I currently am using the DJI Mic 1, and you can see the difference between the two of them. The DJI Mic 1 obviously is a little bigger than the Mic 2, but the Mic 2, with its skeletal design and seamless connectivity with the Osmo Pocket 3, makes it a great accessory to have. Now the Mic 2 already has a receiver inbuilt in the Osmo Pocket 3, so it can seamlessly connect with the device itself, whereas if you were to use the DJI Mic 1, you would need the receiver to be connected separately to the underside through the Type C attachment, through the USB Type C connection here, which kind of makes it a cumbersome process. And I'm a bit disappointed that DJI did not have seamless connectivity for the earlier edition of the DJI Mic 1 as well. Finally, you've got the windbreaker here for your Mic 2, so any whoosh whoosh noise that you might have can get cancelled out through this. And you've got a lanyard holder as well. And what else is left in this box that I need to show you guys? Oh, of course, the Type C charging cable. It's a USB Type C to Type C. And then this is the magnetic clip-on for your Mic 2. So you don't really need to use the lapel clip-on always. You can use the magnetic clip, something that the DJI Mic 1 always had as standard issue. So yeah, these are the contents in the box, and I'm just going to lay it all out. And yes, how can I forget? Finally, the cover. Something that's going to be holding that's good to keep the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 safely in this. Before I forget, there is also an important attachment that I was searching for actually in the cover itself, but it's actually not in the cover. It's a part of the packet itself. This is the widescreen lens. So this basically adds and gives you a slightly wider angle than the standard angle that comes with the with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this is how magnetically it clips on. Oops, I didn't clip it on magnetic. Yeah, there you go. And then you can take it out and add a wider angle view, slightly wider angle view to your standard Osmo Pocket 3 viewing angle. So these are all the contents of the box laid out before you. The carry case for the Osmo Pocket 3, the DJI Mic 2 that comes as standard issue with it, This is the Osmo Pocket 3 cover with the wide angle lens as well. That's an extra addition that they've added. The Osmo Pocket 3 device itself, you've got the quarter-inch support extender, you've got the battery pack extender, and then you've got the monopod slash tripod for the Osmo Pocket 3. A lot of stuff on offer with the creator combo pack. I think it's a really good deal because DJI has practically covered and ticked all the boxes that one may be looking at for this device. So now I have connected my battery pack handle to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and you can see this is showing me 60% battery on the Osmo Pocket and around 55% with the battery pack. And now it's time to switch it on, fire it up, and see how things look. There you go. And very quickly selecting English, and yeah, this is something that I need to do later. Download the Mimo app and have the camera connected and activated. So I'll just do that later. Oops, swipe to skip. Yeah, there you go. And yes, this is how it looks. These are some of the settings, very quickly showing you guys. Tap to rotate the gimbal. Yeah, I know all that. Okay, cool, that's fine. Yeah, and now we can actually just press this, or yeah, there you go, and it switches from portrait to landscape mode. If I just swipe this up, we can actually see all the resolutions that there is on offer. So I'm going to keep it at 4K and I'm going to keep it at 60 FPS, which of course is the best frame rate available on the Osmo Pocket 3. So this is of course in landscape mode, 4K 60. If I were to just switch it up like this and I press continue, so now it switches to the 3K resolution at 60 FPS, which is of course good for Instagram uploads. And just by flipping like this or to this, it can actually shut down in 2 seconds. And there you can see the gimbal has now shut down completely. For storage, you have a very seamless system. Of course, this can now be attached here, and you can also have your DJI Mic to attach to this protective cover. So everything is very nice and compact, nice to hold, quick to take it out of, simply like this. There you go. And then placing it back is equally easy. So this is how the picture quality is. You can actually see the light is now coming down slowly, and yeah, you can see all the difference that the 1-inch sensor brings to the quality of this camera. So this is actually the video through the Osmo Pocket 3. Now I'll be showing you guys how the video is through the Samsung S24 Ultra. This is how the video at 4K 60 FPS looks on the Samsung S24 Ultra. So you can actually see there is a little bit of dullness that's been added because of the difference of the sensor size between the Osmo Pocket 3 and the Samsung S24 Ultra, which is actually a flagship phone of Samsung. So guys, this brings me to the end of the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Of course, there are a lot of things that I will be now exploring and working on to see how it all comes out, and you will get to see a lot of my Belgian Grand Prix content shot with the Osmo Pocket 3 this time, and hopefully I should be able to cover much more than I usually would with my phone instead. Uh, of course, 2-3 months into the use of this device, I will be sharing with you guys how the experience has been overall, and the pros and cons, what I love about the device, what I don't, and things that I would like to see DJI improve on in the next iteration of the Osmo Pocket series. Anyways guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. I will be leaving the links to my other social media handles in the description below, so if you guys want to interact with me on any other social media channels, please do so. Thank you so much everyone for all the support, and I wish you all a pleasant day ahead. Take care guys, stay safe. This is Kimi Yang signing off.